As you can see, guys, this one is also seized up in there. So what I'm doing is I'm using WD to try to like at least free it up a little on both sides. And then what I'm doing is taking this hammer and just tapping it out. It's been coming out. So I just keep, all you gotta do is just keep tapping until it comes completely out. Gotta hit it a little harder than that to get it out completely though. And once you get that out, we can go ahead and put in the new control arm. This one is out already, so it's no problem there. But this one, you could either heat it up and get it out, or you could use a hammer and just tap on it and bang it out. Try not to ruin the threads on the bolt though. And that's it, guys. Just like that, upper control arm. Changed, finish. Do it yourself, guys. Believe in yourself, guys. You can do it. Why take it to the shop and pay hundreds and hundreds of dollars when you can do it by yourself at home in your garage? And that's it, just like that, guys. I'll show you guys how to put it back on after I get this last bolt out. It's kind of hard recording with this. I gotta get this out and then continue recording after. But yeah, just keep banging on it until it comes out.